Welcome back. This is another video on the S350. We're going to clean all the interior carpets. So now we're going to open this new spot wash Bissell, or Spot Clean as they call it. I haven't used it as yet, so brand new. I've also ordered some of this to try and make it smell a bit nicer. So it's Pro Clean Fruity Fresh Interior Valeting Car Upholstery Cleaner, 3-in-1. Apparently it cleans, freshens and removes stains, so we'll see how we get on with that. But I think it does come with some trial bottles inside this Bissell cleaner, so let's get it unboxed. Right, so here we have the Bissell Spot Wash Pro Heat model. So like I say, I've never used this before, so I think just follow the assembly instructions as per se on here. So first of all, it's asking us to put this on. Slides in there. Second one, that's us to put this on the back. I think doing that one. Yeah. The cable side clips in like that, and then number 3 sits that one. Nice and simple, guys. Just literally clipping on components to assemble it. Right, so after I've read the instructions, this side of here, this is your clean water tank, so you put your solution in, your clean water in. So depending on whether you're doing a small area or a large area, it's nice and simple. Literally you water up to the water level and then you just top up with your formula. If you're doing a small area, if you're doing a large area, obviously you need more water and formula, so you literally put your water up to there and then you put your formula in here. Plus, I think you can put a boost in there. So on here, you've got an oxygen boost. So I think this helps basically just make it sort of bubble up a bit more. So, but I'm actually going to use, like I said, this Pro Clean Fruity Fresh Interior Valeting Car Upholstery Cleaner because I want it to smell really nice in here. So yeah, let's get this filled up and then we can go from there. So I've put my water in now. It stands straight, it's just up to the water line. So now I'm going to put my Fruity Fresh Interior Valeting Cleaner in. I do apologise, my face isn't always in the shot. That's due to reduced space to record this video and get the camera in. Filled up to here with our formula from the water level up to the formula line. I'm also going to add some of this oxygen booster in there too. Why do they make tops like this, eh? Into this. If you want one of these Bissell spot cleans, all you need to do is check it out on Amazon or Google, anywhere. Pretty much you can get them from most retailers. Don't forget to put your cap back in. Secure it on this side. Make sure to connect your adapter. And the next thing we've got to do is plug her in. It's quite noisy this bit, so you might not hear me talking, so I'm just gonna have a go in the deeper recesses of this. So we'll have a little look. Right. Right, this section's probably going to be a bit noisy, but I'll try and show you how this works. Obviously we've got low light in there, so I'll try and leave it zoomed out as much as possible, but literally you've got your trigger on here. So when you pull the trigger, it literally sprays out the solution here. Then you can scrub and agitate it, and then literally suck it up with the hoover, so it should be nice and simple. If you do have time, please like and subscribe. Just really helps me push these channels. We're, I think, just under 90 subscribers at the moment, which just seems like nothing, but it is massive for me. Thank you so much. It really sort of helps push me on. I know I'm a little bit slow in editing and getting these videos out, but thank you so much. Please like, subscribe or share to someone that you know. This is a really easy bit of kit to use, but just don't be surprised, it does take quite a while to do a big area. This S-Class, especially the boot area, is quite big as boots go, but yeah, it is really rewarding. Look at that dirt, it's horrible. Here you can see all the dirt getting sucked up through that transparent panel. It's very satisfying to see it all getting cleaned and removing all that dirty water. So I think you get the gist. I'm not going to film the whole thing, otherwise it'd be highly boring. I'll crack on and I'll cut in at the end. This is the result after the carpet has all been done, and I think you can agree, all looks really good. It's come up really well. I'm really impressed with this Spot Clean Bissell. It does take quite a bit of effort to do, to be fair, but it comes up pretty much like new, so I'm really pleased. So that's the boot done. So there's your water. Absolutely horrid. Brown. Tell you what, from the boot area it was absolutely horrible. But yeah, so I'll crack on, we'll get the rest done. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel. Really helps the algorithm and push these videos. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This Bissell Spot Wash Cleaner is an absolutely fantastic product. Our Mercedes Benz S350 is coming along nicely. There's a lot of jobs left to do, and there's quite a few videos coming, so please keep watching, and we'll see you on the next one.